Welcome in, welcome in. Today we take one last look at the SWK Coco Blacks. These are by special request by Hui in Discord, on the unikeys Discord. I'll be giving these away to DY at Unikeys. I believe he's going to try to source some Swagkeys stuff into the store, so maybe you'll start seeing some Night Stabs soon, maybe these Coco Blacks and some other SWK switches. So we're building on the Agar with the Coco Blacks on a PC plate, no foam, with DCS. The spacebar is GMK, I believe. Here we go.